I have a lot of confidence in this, in the 11th Parliament, the Buganda Caucus of the 11th Parliament, that the issue of land is going to be very paramount.
Obwesiga bwantaddemu naye ssebo nga bwe nabategeezezza tusazeewo nti tujja kwetaba mu kulonda. N'olwekyo erinnya lyange ndiggyayo.
Erinnya omukulu alijjayo.
California alone yeyina 2/3 of the GDP of America. California takes 2/3 of the revenue of federal government. Okuba nti gy'okama ng'atewoza akatono eyo enkola nkyamu. We want an equitable sharing of revenue, resources, and national resources. It is high time we are coming back to ask.
Newandibadde nga tuyinza okufuna ebitwawula nga kkala z'ebyobufuzi, ndowooza ebizibu ebiri mu Buganda bitumala okutugatta. Era oyo anaabyawukanako era embeera ejjamuleka emabega.
It was not a decision that we are leaving Buganda Caucus. No, we are still part of Buganda Caucus, but we chose not to take up positions for our best interest as members, because we failed to build consensus. We failed to build consensus, and we thought that if we had chosen to go for positions by voting on every position, this would have left Buganda Caucus more divided than it has been now. So I think this is in good faith. It is in fact, by doing this is the best consensus.
I think it's their right to decide whether to take part in the elections or to not take part. The most important thing is that they attended, they were part of the process, and they agreed to whatever transpired. We are very grateful for the members of the NRM who attended the caucus, and I think we don't really have to criticize them or blame them. It is their right.
Era tuli bagumu era bamativu nti ensonga naddala nsonga ssemasonga 5 eziruma omuntu wansi oba eza Buganda zijja kusobola okukwatibwako.